Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to learn how to check subscriptions on Android so you can easily manage your monthly expenses. This guide will show you exactly where to find your active services and billing details. So now let's get started. For step 1, you need to go to Google Play Store by tapping the multicolored triangle icon on your home screen or app drawer. This is the primary marketplace for all your apps and serves as the central hub for managing any digital services you have purchased. In step 2, you will then tap on Profile by clicking your circular account image located in the top right corner of the screen. This icon opens up your personal account settings where you can find specific details related to your Google account and app history. Next, for step 3, you must scroll down, then click Payment and Subscriptions to access the Financial Management section of your account. This menu is important because it organizes all your billing methods and recurring charges in one convenient place for you to review. Finally, for step 4, you should click on Subscriptions to view the full list of every active and expired service linked to your device. This final step allows you to see renewal dates and prices, giving you the power to keep or cancel any service you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.